Hi everyone, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve update events on AliExpress. To know how to fix or how to solve update events on AliExpress, you should just go to settings. Here you can click on apps, default apps, app settings. Then you will enter to the window of AliExpress. Then you can go to first stop and you can click OK. Here we'll enter to the window of storage. Then you can click clear cache. Don't click clear data because that can cause you errors or can delete your account. In the end, you will enter to Play Store. If you will find the updates, then you can click to update your app. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your attention and your watching.